What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here with Casino del Sol, and we're back for another weekly recipe from Sol Bowl's Champion Tailgate of the Week. So this week's recipe, we're going to be doing a hummus. So the hummus we're making from scratch with some local chickpeas that you can pick up at the Heirloom Farmers Market. These have already been cooked and chilled. We're going to add them to the blender here. So what I like to do is I don't add all of the juice, but we're going to add most of the chickpeas here. We've got a few other ingredients. One of the staples in a good hummus is tahini. So this is a sesame puree. You want to stir this up really well. A little bit of that into it. We want a little bit of acidity, so I've got some fresh lemon. So I've got 2 lemons squeezed in there. We got a little bit of garlic. And then this is za'atar. So this is a spice, has cumin, a little bit of sumac, a little bit of sesame, a little bit of coriander. So add a little bit of that to taste. We can always add more. And then lots of salt, of course, and olive oil. A little bit of fresh pepper. We'll give this a whirl. All right, so it's really important that the hummus comes out nice and smooth. So next we want to taste. We get a spoon in there. It's really good. I think maybe just a touch more of the za'atar, a little more seasoning, and a little bit more olive oil, just to give it that fattiness and kind of round it out. And that's it. So we're going to reserve this, and we're going to start working on the vegetables. So I'm going to start off. I've got some baby leeks, zucchini, a couple bell peppers, got some poblanos here, some carrots with tops and a little bit of radish. We also picked up some naan bread from the market, which is really good. This can be just warmed up on the grill, as you know, you can get as crispy as you like or nice and soft if you just want to lightly warm it. So I'm going to lay these vegetables out here, get them seasoned. So I just use kind of a light oil. We don't want too much oil on the grill. This is just a spray oil. It's avocado oil. We'll season it with some salt and pepper. All right, so we're gonna add these to the grill here. I've got the grill on a nice medium-high heat. So I've got red bell peppers, some zucchini, a couple baby poblano chilies. Here's some baby leeks. This is just a rack. That way nothing falls through the grill. We're gonna grill some smaller vegetables. We got some baby carrots here. A little cauliflower. It's a patty pan squash. Some more bell peppers. So we're really just looking to lightly char these. We want these to be like a crudité. We want them to be nice and crisp, so we're just lightly grilling them. So I'm gonna shut the oven, just give them a few minutes. All right, so we have all of our vegetables lightly grilled. We took the bell pepper a little bit further. That's gonna finish our hummus here. So I'm gonna add a couple pieces of roasted bell pepper into the hummus. We're gonna blitz that in. Till it's nice and smooth. And we'll start to build our plate here. So this is our roasted red bell pepper hummus. A little bit of olive oil. And we have our vegetables here, so we can start to build these. Here's a zucchini. Beautiful summer zucchini we'll add on here. Some radishes. These haven't been grilled. I like these just raw. And then some raw tomatoes as well. These are just an heirloom variety tomato. A little bit of pita from the farmer's market. There you go, our finished dish. So this week's Sol Bowl Tailgate Championship dish of the week is going to be our hummus made with local chickpeas from Heirloom Farmers Market, an assortment of local vegetables from the market. And then our beer pairing this week is Dragoon Brewing Company, which is a Santa Cruiser Golden Ale.